Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, I'm healthy.
Okay, if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? They got higher salary than here in Malaysia.
I choose Malaysia because this Malaysia is safe country for OFW workers.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Luella Beronilla. I'm 38 years old. I'm single, but I have a live-in partner. I have four kids, 17 years old, 10 years old, and 7 years old, and 6 years old, the youngest. And I live in 188 Ferrari Street, San Valley, Parañaque City. Mm,
Okay. I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? You mentioned that you are a single mother. I single but with have live-in partner, correct?
yes,
Do you have your passport? You already got your passport.
yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
December 9, 1986.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11", and my weight is 60.
What about your religion?
Ma'am,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic,
What about your educational background?
high school graduate.
Okay. So what is your live-in partner occupation and how old is he?
My living partner is age is 40 years old, and and he
Occupation
was
is what?
a construction worker.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have four brothers and five sisters.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
The third,
The third. What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is
my
their occupation?
my parents is 63, and my mother is 63 and my father is 64.
Okay. So what is their occupation?
Only in the house, ma'am.
Only the house. So who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My sister
How old is your sister?
is 42.
42. Okay, so in your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Kuwait way back 2022 to 2024 and you finish your contract. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Kuwait?
Um, my employer, the my madam is only in the house, and then she have six children, and then my sir is he work in like DFA in Kuwait, and then he have one dog and one cat, and then I cleaning there, washing and cooking and wash the car. That's it.
Okay, so you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing. You take care pet also, which is dog and cat, and
Yes, ma'am.
they also got a one kid, which is 5 years old. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? Why you didn't continue working to this employer? Of course, you finished your contract. So why you didn't continue working with them?
Because my employer, he said, he increased my salary after finish my contract. And
Okay.
then, I asked to again to my employer before my finish my contract. And then he said, uh, uh, if you come back, and then I increase your salary.
Okay.
But but the one maid in the sister of my
Employer.
employer, she said, if you come back, you do not increase your salary. She's lying to you.
Oh,
That's
okay.
it.
So that's why you didn't go back lah.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right? It's not new for you. Because you already got experience in Kuwait and you finish your 2 years contract. Yeah? So
Yes,
you need to
ma'am.
be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I would like to let you know also that Kuwait and Malaysia is quite different. Once you come to work here, I don't want or we don't want that you will going to compare Kuwait and Malaysia because it's different one. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, no problem.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who decided to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted a better future for your children. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead, you can hold your phone during night time only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, but if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800 ringgit for every month. But if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then you can come. Then you won't give us problem. Okay? You work properly, work harder. But if you disagree about our terms and conditions, better stay in the Philippines or maybe you find other countries job opportunities. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
In
ma'am.
Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries or here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations, and of course, we need to respect the culture of the employer. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness once it strikes you? What will you do if you feel homesick? Like, how will you gonna handle your homesickness?
I focus on my goal, and I focus for my work.
Okay. So, Luella, always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You come to work here because you need to earn some money. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
ma'am.
much and have a good day. Bye.